smooth like butter, baby. Got it, son.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright guys, here she is. As you can see in the other part of the video I made, we got her running. It turns out that there's a faulty red wire for the starter, which was causing it not to run. So after we cut it, spliced it, reran the wire like it should be. Now she turned over. She's running. We got her to move. The brakes are a little sticky. As you can see, the back window's missing, like I said. Yeah. She's all there though. Pretty solid car, frame's clean.